Gardening is more than just a hobby. It can become a profitable venture. Whether you have a small backyard garden or a larger plot of land, there are numerous ways to turn your passion for gardening into a source of income. From selling plants and produce to offering gardening services and creating value-added products, the opportunities are plentiful. This guide will explore various methods to monetize your gardening efforts, providing practical steps and tips to help you succeed in making money from your garden. Let's start with seedlings. Starting seedlings is a fantastic way to kick off your gardening business. Begin by choosing high-quality seeds from reliable suppliers and use seed trays and a good seed starting mix for healthy growth. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, and provide ample light. If natural light is insufficient, consider using grow lights to give your seedlings the best start. Selling seedlings can be highly profitable if you know where to find your customers. Farmers markets are excellent places to sell seedlings, as customers are often looking for fresh, local produce and plants. Setting up a visually appealing booth with clear signage and displaying your healthiest seedlings prominently can attract buyers. Local nurseries and garden centers are also great venues, as many are willing to purchase seedlings from local growers. Contact these businesses to see if they are interested in buying your plants wholesale. Community-supported agriculture, CSA programs, offer another great opportunity to sell seedlings, as many CSA members are gardening enthusiasts who may be interested in purchasing seedlings for their own gardens. Partner with local CSA programs to offer your seedlings as an add-on option. Online marketplaces such as Etsy, eBay, and local community groups on Facebook or Craigslist can also be effective for selling seedlings. Create an online store with detailed descriptions and high-quality photos of your plants, and consider offering shipping or local pickup options to broaden your customer base. Local schools with gardening programs and community gardens often need seedlings, so contacting these institutions can open up new sales avenues. Additionally, don't overlook the power of word of mouth and local connections. Promote your seedlings to neighbors and through local community boards, and consider setting up a small stand in your front yard or driveway to attract passersby. Another profitable option is selling in-demand crops. Selecting the right crops to grow is crucial for a successful gardening business. High-demand vegetables and fruits like lettuce, kale, tomatoes, and berries are excellent choices due to their popularity and relatively easy maintenance. Lettuce and kale, being cool weather crops, can be planted multiple times during the growing season, ensuring a steady supply. Tomatoes and berries, on the other hand, are perennial favorites among home gardeners and culinary enthusiasts, often commanding higher prices, especially when grown organically or as heirloom varieties. To maximize your sales, building strong relationships with your customers is essential. Farmers markets provide an excellent platform to reach a broad audience. When setting up your stall, focus on creating an inviting and organized display. Clearly label your produce with prices and consider offering samples to attract potential buyers. Engaging with market goers by sharing tips on how to use and store your produce can also help build a loyal customer base. Local restaurants and chefs are always on the lookout for fresh, high-quality ingredients. Approach them with samples of your best produce and highlight the benefits of sourcing locally, such as freshness and supporting the local economy. Establishing a reliable supply relationship can lead to consistent sales and even custom orders based on the restaurant's menu needs. For direct sales to neighbors, consider setting up a subscription box service where customers receive a weekly or bi-weekly delivery of fresh produce. Promote your offerings through social media, community boards, and word of mouth. Highlight the convenience and quality of your homegrown vegetables and fruits, emphasizing any unique aspects such as heirloom varieties or organic growing practices. Regular communication with your customers about what is in season and available can help maintain a steady demand for your produce. Microgreens are another very sellable item from your garden. Microgreens are young vegetable greens harvested just after the first leaves develop. They are packed with nutrients, often containing higher vitamin and mineral content than their mature counterparts. Their intense flavors and vibrant colors make them popular in high-end restaurants and health-conscious households. Microgreens like sunflower, nasturtium, broccoli, and radish are particularly sought after for their robust flavors and nutritional benefits. Growing microgreens is relatively straightforward and can be done year-round, making them an excellent product for continuous sales. Start by setting up seed trays filled with fine potting soil or a specialized growing medium. Scatter the seeds evenly across the soil surface and press them gently into the soil. Keep the soil consistently moist using a spray bottle to mist the seeds, ensuring they are not waterlogged. Place the trays in a sunny window or under full spectrum grow lights to provide ample light for healthy growth. Most microgreens are ready to harvest within 2 weeks. Cut them just above the soil line and rinse gently before packaging. To sell microgreens, package them in breathable containers to keep them fresh, and market them to restaurants, caterers, and at local farmers markets. Highlight the freshness and nutritional benefits to attract health-conscious consumers and chefs. Cut flowers can be a profitable addition to your gardening business. Flowers like roses, sunflowers, tulips, and lilies are always in high demand for their beauty and variety. Start by selecting a variety of flowers that bloom at different times to ensure a continuous supply throughout the growing season. Proper care and maintenance, including regular watering, fertilizing, and pest control, are essential for producing high-quality blooms suitable for cutting. To market your cut flowers, approach local florists with samples of your blooms. Florists often look for fresh, locally sourced flowers to incorporate into their arrangements. Building a reliable relationship with florists can lead to consistent sales. Grocery stores are another excellent market for your flowers. Contact store managers and offer to supply fresh flowers regularly. Farmers markets provide a direct-to-consumer sales avenue where you can engage with customers and showcase your flowers. Set up an attractive display, create mixed bouquets, and offer personalized arrangements to appeal to a broader audience. Additionally, consider offering bouquet subscriptions where customers receive a fresh bouquet weekly or monthly. This service can attract regular customers and ensure a steady income stream. If selling things right out of the ground doesn't appeal to you, homemade goods might be the option that piques your interest. Canning and preserving your garden produce into products like jams, sauces, and pickles can be a highly profitable venture. To successfully sell these items, start by mastering safe canning techniques to ensure your products are free from bacteria and contaminants. Resources like the National Center for Home Food Preservation offer valuable guidelines. Once you have your products ready, the next step is to identify your market. Farmers markets are excellent venues for selling canned goods. These markets attract customers looking for fresh, homemade, and locally produced items. Set up an inviting booth with samples for tasting, clear labeling, and attractive packaging. Highlight the unique flavors and the farm-to-table aspect of your products to draw in customers. Local grocery stores and specialty food shops are also potential sales channels. Approach store managers with samples and discuss the benefits of carrying locally made products. Emphasize the quality and unique flavors of your goods. Additionally, consider setting up an online store on platforms like Etsy or your own website. Provide detailed descriptions and high-quality photos of your products to attract online buyers. Offering bundle deals or seasonal gift baskets can also boost sales. Promote your products through social media by sharing behind-the-scenes looks at your canning process, new recipe developments, and customer testimonials. Hosting workshops or classes on canning can further establish your expertise and create additional revenue streams. Don't forget that DIY food gifts like herb-infused vinegar, dried herbs, and teas are popular items that can be sold both locally and online. To sell these products, start by creating high-quality, unique items that stand out. For example, create herb-infused vinegars using a variety of herbs and attractive bottles. Ensure your dried herbs are well packaged to preserve freshness and flavor. Develop unique tea blends using herbs and flowers from your garden. Farmers markets and craft fairs are ideal places to sell these items. Set up a visually appealing booth that showcases your products and offers samples for customers to try. Use clear, professional labeling that includes ingredients and suggested uses for your products. Specialty food stores and gift shops are also excellent venues for selling these goods. Approach store owners with samples and discuss consignment options or wholesale pricing. Online platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and your own website can significantly expand your reach. Create compelling product listings with high-quality photos and detailed descriptions. Consider offering seasonal gift sets or themed bundles to attract more buyers. Leverage social media to promote your products by sharing beautiful images, customer reviews, and creative uses for your items. Networking with local chefs and food bloggers can also help boost your sales, offer them samples, and encourage them to feature your products in their recipes and posts. Hosting workshops on making DIY food gifts can further showcase your expertise and attract potential customers. Offering gardening classes and workshops is an excellent way to monetize your gardening expertise while helping others develop their green thumbs. Start by identifying the skills and topics you are most knowledgeable about, such as seed starting, transplanting, and organic gardening. Create a structured curriculum that covers these areas in detail, providing hands-on learning experiences for participants. To reach a broader audience, consider partnering with local schools, community centers, or botanical gardens. These institutions often look for educational programs to offer their members and can help you attract more attendees. Additionally, offering classes on online platforms like Zoom or partnering with websites that specialize in online courses can expand your reach even further. Promote your classes through social media, local community boards, and gardening forums to generate interest and enrollments. Your garden can also be a venue for tours and events, creating a unique and profitable experience. Set up your garden as a picturesque location for farm-to-table dinners, yoga classes, or simple guided tours showcasing your gardening techniques and plant varieties. Start by ensuring your garden is well-maintained and visually appealing. Create designated pathways and seating areas to accommodate guests comfortably. To promote your garden tours and events, use social media platforms and local community newsletters. Collaborate with local chefs, yoga instructors, or event planners to host joint events that can attract a wider audience. For farm-to-table dinners, highlight the use of fresh produce from your garden in the meals. Organize themed events or seasonal tours to keep the offerings fresh and appealing. Ensure you manage bookings effectively and provide clear information about the events to avoid confusion and enhance the guest experience. Renting your garden as a venue for special occasions like children's parties, bridal showers, and corporate events can be a lucrative venture. To prepare your garden for such events, create different zones for various activities, ensuring there are shaded areas, seating arrangements, and open spaces for games or dining. Invest in sturdy, weather-resistant furniture and decorations that complement the natural beauty of your garden. Before offering your garden as a rental space, check local regulations and zoning laws to ensure compliance. You may need permits or insurance to cover potential liabilities. Set clear terms and conditions for renting your space, including guidelines for noise levels, guest capacity, and cleanup responsibilities. Market your garden venue through event planning websites, social media, and local advertisements. Whether you choose to sell seedlings, in-demand crops, microgreens, cut flowers, or homemade goods, each avenue offers unique opportunities to engage with your community and expand your reach. By leveraging both local and online platforms, you can maximize your sales and build a loyal customer base. Additionally, offering classes, tours, and event spaces can further diversify your income streams and showcase your expertise. Remember, the key to success lies in understanding your market, maintaining high-quality standards, and continuously promoting your products and services. So, get out there, dig into your garden, and start turning your green thumb into green profits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and entrepreneurial ideas. Share your experiences and let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover. Happy gardening!